So the original trend is a bullish trend, and this said that I've been selling for like a month is just a pullback sell. So right now we need to go down to the weekly time frame so we understand what the weekly is doing as well. So on the weekly, remember, a pullback on the higher time frame will always give you an established trend on the lower time frame. I've explained this over and over and over and over again in all of my live stream. I always explain this. Now you need to understand that on the weekly time frame, if the weekly time frame has been pulling back for more than 2 or for over a month now, it's going to be a trend on the lower time frame beginning from the daily. So on the daily time frame, we have a quite reversal pattern here. We have the missed double top here. So let's delete everything on our chart so we can redo it again for better understanding. So here we have a reversal pattern there called a missed double top, and price break below the support, and you can see that market structure actually started confirming itself here. Pull back, continue the sell, break the support, pull back again, continue the sell, break the support, pull back again, continue the sell, break the support, and now as at last week the price now closed in a major support zone. Remember, our sentiment said we should be looking for sell because the market shows that we have more buyers, so we should be looking for buy trade, not sell trade. This market has been selling for over a month, close to 2 months now. So right now, here is where we will now be focusing on. This is the daily. So tomorrow is Monday, so we'll be looking at the market to give us a buy trade this week. So if we are looking for a buy movement this week, we should make sure we look out for a reversal pattern on the lower time frame around this region. Yes, so here is where we'll be focusing on. So let's first of all delete everything, then we circle this particular structure where I said we'll be looking at a reversal pattern there. Then we draw, sorry about that. Then we draw this our line at that support zone, so that by the time we get to the lower time frame, we're able to identify it on time. So we open our 4 hours time frame. What are we doing on our 4 hours time frame? Now we are looking for a reversal pattern. Remember, I said something earlier. A pullback on the higher time frame is an established trend on the lower time frame. So if the daily time frame has been a downtrend, but the weekly was showing us that it's just a pullback, that here right now price may likely continue the bullish trend, that means we should be looking out for another reversal pattern on the lower time frame, like the 4 hours, 1 hour and 30 minutes and so on and so forth. That is what will give us the confirmation, so the weekly is about to return back to the original direction. Okay, so on the 4 hours time frame, remember we circle only one candle on the daily time frame because we want to understand what is happening there. So now let's delete here. Let's delete those stuff. We want to analyze the last candle that closed last week. Now you see this candle, by the time you zoom in, you see that it has an information. Remember, every candle that closed carries an information. It's either it's giving you the information of buyers are in charge, or it's giving you the information of sellers are in charge. So we have a rejection pin bar here, and it's also called a doji candle. This is a bullish doji candle, and it takes price up, right? But this will not serve as our confirmation. Rather, we're going to mark here be the resistance, and we're also going to mark the lower low here be the support zone, right? Now, when the market open tonight, Sunday night, I will be working with just here and here on the 4 hours, right? So I'm not going to delete this line till we get to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, what am I going to be looking out for? I want to see if this particular bullish engulfing, this particular bullish this bullish doji here, we have a bullish doji. Remember, this is a bullish doji. I want to confirm if this bullish doji that form on the 4 hours time frame, if it's giving us a reversal, a bullish reversal pattern on the lower time frame. So we have to go down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour we have a spiny bottom already, or you can call it a tweezer bottom. Let's delete everything on our chart now so that the chart will also be cleared again. Now for those of you that will be following me, you understand the formation of these two candles. We call them tweezer bottom. They take price up, right? And you see the market was currently the market has been selling massively. Remember, on the weekly time frame is just a major pull barrier has been happening. So on this 1 hour time frame now, I will quickly mark my support here because we have we have some multiple rejections there, right? I will mark here and I will mark my resistance here. because ordinarily market structure, ordinarily this market is a downtrend of the 1 hour time frame, and the market structure that we are expecting here is a pullback to this particular structure, then the continuation of the sell, right? So now, why am I marking the resistance, which is here? Why am I marking here? On the 1 hour time frame, I will be expecting the market to pull back, which is normal. For those people that trade the ICT, they will say they have fair value gap here. Now, listen to me very, very carefully. Anything that makes price to close above this particular resistance, it's a confirmed reversal from downtrend to uptrend. I want you to understand that. Don't assume. This market has been trending down. Now we have a support here with a reversal pattern, but it's just a reversal pattern. The market has not reversed to downtrend yet. So we will still need to see a clear confirmation, which is if price break above this particular reversal, this particular resistance here, that will be called confirmation of a bullish trend. So from any pullback, we'll be going short, and it's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. Okay, it's going to be massive. Then we go lower to the 30 minutes time frame to understand the trend more, so that we will understand what the market is doing, the formation of the last movement on Friday. So even if you open it now, you will still see some informations here. This information are already giving us some buyers entering inside the market. We are no longer having more sellers in the market. Buyers were already taking over before the closing of the market on Friday night, right? So here tonight, I want you to understand that this last week of February 2025 on Usdjpy